Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. Today we got something from mikesmilitaria.com. So feel free to check out Mike's website. He always has new stuff coming in and out, and always want to grab them as soon as they come in, because once they're gone, they're gone. But then every once in a while he always gets restocks from his suppliers, and this is some new stuff, so I was going to go ahead and check it out. So Mike does not include a manifest with his boxes, so I went ahead and made a few notes, and we're just going to go ahead and complete opening the flaps on this thing. So I've opened the main piece of tape. Now we're just going to, I don't think we're going to need that little folding knife there. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn it this way. Whoa, look at this. We got a helmet. And it's in a wrapper. Thanks, Mike. Check that out. This looks like it's unissued. So this is a Soviet SSH 60 steel helmet. Wow. Very nice. Yeah. So I don't know very much about it. You can always look up this information online. But as far as I know, its predecessor was the SSH 40, which was a 3-pad helmet, and that was used during the World War II time frame, and this was kind of the upgrade to it. You can see it has 4 pads, and looks like they went to, still got rivets. We have 4 rivets on the top and 2 rivets on the side for the chin strap attachments. Looks like we got a little bit of material at the bottom there. I don't want to know what that is. It sounds metallic. So we'll discard those. Yeah, they got threads on them. Interesting. So we might have to take a closer look, but wow, that's very nice. As far as I know about this, let's see. Yeah, 2 rivets on the chin strap, and they moved this really close to the top of the helmet, and we have a little, try to bring it up there, maybe this side, a little 10 star right there. Alright, moving along, just a few items here. Looks like we have 3 East German wool enlisted overseas caps. So you can see they're in alternating position here. 3 of the logos and the side design, the seam on the top. Let's see what we got on the insides of these. What? There you go. That's one of them. Let's see about the other ones. Yeah. Third one. Pretty similar. Darker marking there. Let's take a look at one of these. Nope, nothing on the white tag. Alright, so again, that's the East German overseas enlisted, the enlisted version of the overseas caps. Set those aside. I had ordered these too. So these are Czech VZ, Czechoslovakian VZ92 Camouflage work caps. So you can see they have the 92 pattern, which is the dark olive green printed over the light olive green base. This have the baseball style strap and buckle, so you can adjust that to any size. No labels on the inside except for that one right there. Black headband liner, that's one of those. Second one, same thing. Ah, there's our crossed swords I was looking for. And then again, the sizing. And the third one, same dealio. Oh no, this one's a little different. So that's one thing about Mike's is he doesn't actually sort the items. So if you order multiple items, there's a good chance you might get something like either a different year of manufacture or some sort of variety. So it's always an interesting surprise. And let's see, last item, last but not least, we have 3 German Bundeswehr Moleskin Sidecaps. So, let's see the labels on these, some handwriting on there as well. Rondell, side vents, the seam on the top. Here's another one. This one has a big A on the side of it. No other markings, some scribbly right there. Not sure if I'm in that right direction. Oh, this one's got a little paint on that. We can fix that. We may leave it as is. And these came in pairs, so I ended up with 4 of these. They're sold as pairs. Pretty cheap. Very nice. So again, these are from mikesmilitaria.com. You can go ahead and check out Mike's website, his online store. There's all sorts of apparel, gear. You can see we had the helmet from earlier. Thank you, Mike. This is sweet. That's about all I got for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later.